Whether you're a millionaire or just a regular person, when you see some of the most luxurious houses in the world, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe. From their opulent architecture and expansive grounds to their luxurious amenities and features, these homes are fit for royalty. If you're curious to see what they look like, stick around. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 luxurious mansions in the world. Before the video begins, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. Number 5. Le Palais Buhl, France. Designed by world-renowned architect Pierre Cardin, Le Palais Buhl is another of the most luxurious houses in the world. The house is located in Tale-sur-Mer, France, and overlooks the Mediterranean Sea. This well-known mansion, designed by Hungarian architect Antilia, is an architectural marvel with its maze-like interiors and domes that resemble caves, built of reinforced wire mesh that has been spray-coated with a concrete mixture. Le Palais Buhl, commonly known as the Bubble Palace, is a 13,000 square foot work of art with several breathtaking embellishments that make it impossible to leave the house behind on our list. This luxurious home is exquisite in every way, from the unmatched views of the Mediterranean Sea to the opulent decor in every room furnished with modern conveniences. Le Palais Buhl features several unique amenities, including an indoor swimming pool, a cinema, and a helipad. This luxury house also has 10 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. Number 4. Palazzo d'Amore, USA. The Palazzo d'Amore is a 53,000 square foot estate located in Beverly Hills, California. It's another of the most luxurious houses in the world and the most expensive home on the market in the United States, with an asking price of $195 million. The estate also includes a party venue with a ballroom and a rotating dance floor, a 27-car garage, and 10,000 square foot guest house. The Palazzo d'Amore is currently owned by Jeff Green, a billionaire real estate investor. Green purchased the property in 2014 for $100 million. This gorgeous luxury building resembles a resort. The most luxurious houses in the world are those that offer the best in terms of space, amenities, and privacy. These properties are typically located in prime locations and often come with a hefty price tag. Some of the most luxurious houses in the world include those located in Hamptons, Mumbai, and Silicon Valley. These properties offer their owners a level of luxury and exclusivity that is unmatched by any other type of property. While they may be expensive, these luxury houses offer their owners a level of comfort and luxury that is worth the price tag. For those who can afford it, owning one of these properties is a dream come true. Number 3. Istana Nurul Iman, Brunei. The Sultan of Brunei's formal house is Istana Nurul Iman. Istana Nurul Iman is another most luxurious house in the world. It is situated in Bandar Seri Begawan's capital. The palace covers an area of 2,152,782 square feet, making it the largest residential palace in the world. The palace has 1,788 rooms, which are spread out over 3 floors. The palace also has a banquet hall that can seat up to 5,000 people. There is also a mosque on the palace grounds that can accommodate 1,500 people. The Istana Nurul Iman is decorated with opulent furnishings and fixtures. Crystal chandeliers, gold-plated furniture, and intricate tapestries are just some of the luxurious features of the palace. The Istana Nurul Iman is not open to the public. However, it is possible to catch a glimpse of the inside of the palace during one of the Sultan's many receptions or events. Number 2. Antilia, India. Antilia is located in Mumbai, India, and is the second most luxurious house in the world. The architectural firm Perkins & Will developed Antilia, which bears the name after a mythical island in the Atlantic, and Leighton Holdings, an Australian construction business, is in charge of its construction. The current owner of the house is Mukesh Ambani. The 27-story home is one of the most luxurious houses in the world. Antilia, which took 4 years and $1 billion to construct, can withstand an earthquake with a magnitude of 8 on the Richter scale. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, UK. Buckingham Palace is the primary residence of the British monarch in the United Kingdom. It is situated in London's City of Westminster. The official residence of the British monarch since 1837 is Buckingham Palace. The palace is owned by the British government and is not open to the public. However, visitors can tour some of the staterooms and gardens during the summer months to see this luxury property. Buckingham Palace is surrounded by a 40-acre garden that includes a lake. The estimated value of Buckingham Palace is $1.55 billion. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable post alerts to view more of our future videos. After saying that, keep watching our videos, and I'll speak with you in the next one.